Have you ever looked at your bank account and wondered, where did all my money go?
Oh, absolutely. Sometimes we get paid, feel happy for a few days, and then suddenly the money is gone.
Exactly. But managing money doesn't have to be difficult. Today, we're going to talk about personal finance in simple English.
We'll talk about budgeting, saving money, spending wisely, avoiding unnecessary debt, and planning for the future.
And don't worry if you're still learning English. We'll use easy words and clear sentences.
So grab your headphones, relax, and let's learn English while learning how to manage our money. Part 1. What is personal finance?
Mark, let's start with a simple question. What is personal finance?
Personal finance means how you manage your money. It includes your income, spending, saving, and financial goals.
So if I earn money from my job, spend some of it on food and transportation, and save the rest, that is personal finance?
Exactly.
That sounds simple.
It is simple, but it can be difficult to do consistently.
Why?
Because we often want to buy things immediately. We see something we like and think, I want it.
Yes, sometimes we buy things we don't really need.
That's why learning to control your spending is important.
Part 2. Know your income. The first step is knowing how much money you earn.
Right. Your income is the money you receive.
For example, your salary from your job is income.
Yes. You might also receive money from a business, freelance work, or other sources.
Why is it important to know your income?
Because you need to know how much money you have before deciding how much you can spend.
So the first question should be, how much money do I receive each month?
Exactly. Part 3. Create a budget.
Now let's talk about one of the most important words in personal finance. Budget.
A budget is a plan for your money.
So instead of spending money randomly, we decide where our money should go.
Exactly.
For example, we can plan money for food, rent, transportation, bills, savings, and entertainment.
Yes, a budget helps you understand your spending.
And it can help you avoid spending more than you earn.
That's one of the biggest benefits of having a budget.
Here's an important question. What is the difference between a need and a want?
A need is something important for your basic life.
Like food?
Yes, food is a need. Housing is a need. Basic transportation can also be a need.
And a want?
A want is something you would like to have, but can live without.
Like a new phone when my old phone still works?
Exactly.
Or buying expensive clothes just because they look nice?
Right.
So before buying something, we can ask ourselves, do I need this or do I just want this?
That simple question can prevent unnecessary spending.
Part 5. Why should we save money? Let's talk about saving.
Saving money means keeping some of your income instead of spending all of it.
Why is saving so important?
Because unexpected expenses can happen.
For example, your phone could break, your car could need repairs, or you might suddenly have a large bill.
Exactly.
So having savings can give us peace of mind.
Yes. Even small amounts can become meaningful if you save regularly.
That means we don't have to wait until we have a lot of money to start saving.
Correct. Start with what you can.
Part 6. Emergency Fund. What is an emergency fund?
An emergency fund is money set aside for unexpected expenses.
So it's different from money we save for a vacation?
Yes, vacation money is for a planned expense. Emergency savings are for unexpected situations.
That makes sense.
The important thing is to keep emergency money available when you really need it.
Part 7. Be careful with debt. Now, let's talk about debt.
Debt means money that you owe to another person or organization.
For example, if I borrow money and promise to pay it back later, that is debt.
Correct.
Is all debt bad?
Not necessarily. Some debt can be useful, depending on the situation and the terms. But debt can become a problem when you borrow more than you can comfortably repay.
So we should understand the interest, fees, payment schedule, and total cost before borrowing?
Absolutely.
And we should never borrow money just to buy things we don't really need.
That's a very good rule.
Part 8. Saving and investing. What about investing?
Investing means putting money into assets with the goal of growing your money over time.
Is investing the same as saving?
No, saving and investing are different.
How?
Savings are generally intended to be accessible and are often used for short-term goals or emergencies. Investments can potentially grow more over time, but they can also lose value.
So investing involves risk.
Yes, before investing, people should understand the risks and learn about what they are buying.
And they shouldn't invest money they need for an immediate expense.
Exactly. Part 9. Set financial goals. Mark, do you think people should have financial goals? Definitely.
What is an example?
You might want to save for a new computer, a car, education, a home, or retirement.
Having a goal makes saving more motivating.
Yes, instead of saying, I should save money, you can say, I want to save $1,000 for my emergency fund.
That goal is clear and measurable.
Exactly.
Part 10. Smart money habits. Let's finish with some simple money habits.
Habit number 1. Track your spending.
Know where your money goes.
Habit number 2. Make a budget.
Give every part of your income a purpose.
Habit number 3. Save regularly.
Even a small amount can help you build the habit.
Habit number 4. Think before you buy.
Ask yourself if it is a need or a want.
And habit number 5. Keep learning.
Because personal finance is a skill.
Exactly. The more you understand about money, the better decisions you can make.
And that brings us to the end of today's English podcast about personal finance.
Today, we learned about income, budgeting, saving, needs and wants, emergency funds, debt, investing, and financial goals.
Remember, you don't need to become rich overnight. Good financial habits can start with small steps.
Track your spending. Make a simple budget. Save regularly. Think before you buy.
And most importantly, keep learning.
If you enjoyed this podcast, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who wants to improve their English and learn more about personal finance.
Thanks for listening.
Keep practicing your English, keep learning, and keep making smart money choices.
See you in the next podcast. Happy listening.